This is my program for the beetle movement. So when we start, the sprite goes to negative 141 and negative 148. So if the up arrow key is pressed, the direction of the beetle changes north, then it moves 5 steps. But if the down arrow is pressed, it turns its direction to the bottom and moves 5 steps. It also does same for the left by pointing to negative 90 and moving 5 steps. The right, it also points to 90 and moves 5 steps. So if the sprite is touching the color black, this code is for the color black. So if it is touching the black lines, it will go back and start again. But if it touches the red color, it will say you won, meaning you've won the game. So that's how the program goes. So the beetle is moving. So you realize that if I touch the black line, it comes back to negative 141 and negative 148. So you see, it's telling me I won since I touched the red color, winning the game. So it stops the game. Thank you.